Namaskaram everyone. Welcome to a new video at Yoga with Heena Vaze. Before we begin, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do it and do press the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that we upload. So today's session or today's video is very special. You might have seen us practicing Sarvang Asan, you might have seen practicing Vipreet Karni, leg splits. So all those positions we are going to practice today, but with the help of wall. So today you have to place your mat closer to the wall, place your mat with the wall closer to the wall. I will tell you how to get your feet up on the wall and we are going to do everything with the wall set. What does it help? First of all, it helps increase the blood flow towards your upper body, good for your skin, good for your hair, good for your eyes, good for your heart, your lungs, because of the flow of blood towards your upper body. Second, it is good for your blood pressure as well. So there's a wrong myth that if you have BP, you should not practice asanas with the wall or your feet up. So that is a wrong assumption. Please practice this, but you need to take the pace slow, of course, if you have. So there are lots of benefits of the asanas that we practice with the wall or with the feet up against the wall. First, increase the flow of blood towards your upper body. It is good for your skin, your face, your eyes, your hair. It is good for your heart health, for your reproductive system, for your digestive system, for your kidneys. So the practice is very good for your upper body especially. It is good for your lower body as well, especially your legs, because it is said the impure blood will come up and the fresh blood will now flow towards your feet, so which is good for your legs. So people who face leg cramps, swollen feet, so it is good for you as well. Now, the positions that we do with the wall help you go deeper, stretch deeper, is going to correct your alignments as well. Plus, you have a very strong wall for your help, for your support. So, everything you don't have to bear on your own, your wall will help you. So, let's get closer to the wall and begin with the practice. So, you place your mat like I have placed. Why I have placed two mats? So that your head does not touch the floor. So, you can either place your mat vertically or you can place two mats horizontally so that your head is not touching the floor. Your head should be on the mat. Okay. What you will do, you will move closer to the wall. You will move closer to the wall. Towards the wall, you have to go and sit side facing the wall. You have to sit side facing the wall like this. Now, you will lie down on one side. You will lie down on one side and push your hips towards the wall. Slowly roll onto your back and keep your legs up on the wall like this. When you sit side facing the wall, keep your hips up on the wall. When you do all this, then you are naturally towards the wall. Your hips are touching the wall. In case that is not happening for you, what you will do is you will move right and left like this and then stretch your legs up. You'll move right and left and then you will stretch your legs up. Hands on the side. Relax your neck, relax your back and settle into the position first. You should feel there is no stiffness in your shoulder, no stiffness in your back. Once you're settled, you will fold your left leg like this. You can keep it slightly on the outer side and extend your right leg on the side. Stretch as much as you can. Try to go slightly beyond your capacity. Hands on the side. Hold the position. You'll feel good stretch in your inner thighs. Staying there. Inhale and exhale throughout. Last 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring your leg up. Both the legs straight and relaxed. Now you have to do the opposite. Fold your right leg. You can place it on the side, slightly on the side, and extend your left leg. Let it go deeper, slightly beyond your capacity. Inhale and exhale. Feel deeper stretch in your legs. Keep your awareness on your breath. That will help you hold the stretch for longer. Inhale and exhale. Last 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring your left leg up, both the legs straight. Now we are going to stretch both of our legs on the side. With the help of your wall, split both of your legs on the side. Stretch nicely. Try to go beyond your capacity. Keep breathing throughout. Awareness on your breath, that will help you hold the position for a little longer. Feel good stretch happening in both of your legs. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nicely and slowly bring both of your legs closer. Take a pause here, catch your breath, let your body relax. Now we are going to fold both of our legs and split them apart like we are sitting into Malasana. Split them apart like we are sitting into Malasana. Both the feet on the wall, away from each other. Now what you will do, you'll keep your hands like this on your thighs, on your legs from inside. Like this. Place your hands on your thighs. So now it gives you a nice stretch here on your inner thighs. Breathe normally, hold the position. The weight of your hands will help you stretch a little more. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly relax. Bring your legs closer and stretch your legs up. Hands on the side. Relax for a few seconds before we move ahead for the next asana. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Now, keeping your knees straight, you have to lift your right leg up off the wall, down. Left leg up, off the wall and down. Right, left, right, left. Continue. In continuation, inhale and exhale throughout. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Take a pause. Inhale and exhale. Now, right now we are into the position which is called as Viparit Karni. If anyone has ever told you to practice Viparit Karni, this is the way with which you can do relaxation along with the practice. It is very good if you are trying to conceive. Even if you are pregnant, you can practice this. Only in that case, you won't be able to keep your hips touching the wall. You'll have to keep your hips slightly away from the wall if you are pregnant. Now, we are going to practice shoulder stand with the wall's help. Shoulder stand is excellent practice. It will give you all the benefits of headstand that you might have seen people doing. So let's get into shoulder stand. What we are going to do is you will keep both of your feet on the wall like this. Press your feet on the wall and you have to lift your hips up. With the help of your hands, push your hips up so that your hip and your shoulder and your knee, all of it comes in the same line, in the straight line. And you will try to hold into this position. Keep breathing. You don't have to hold your breath. Inhale and exhale. Hold there for a few more breaths. And 3, 2, 1. Very slowly you have to put your hips down. Very slowly. The way you have entered into the pose, the same way you have to come out of it. Very slowly and gradually. Let's do round 2 of the same. Fold both of your legs. Keep your feet on the wall. Press your foot on the wall. Lift your lower back up nicely. Adjust your leg position. It should be at 90-degree angle. Knees should be bending at 90-degree. With the help of your hands, push your hip forward so that your knee, your hips and your shoulder come in same line. Hold into the position. Inhale and exhale. Last 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very, very, very slowly put yourself down. Stretch your legs up, hands on the side, away from each other, body relaxed. Close your eyes and rest. You have to be very careful while coming up. Fold your knees and slowly roll on to one side first. Fold your knees and roll on to one side first. Any side is okay, right or left. Do not directly come up. Stay there for a few seconds in side lying position. Once you think your heartbeat and breathing is flowing naturally, you feel relaxed. With the help of your hands, you will slowly lift yourself up and come into the comfortable sitting position. So this was a sequence that we practiced with the wall. If you have woken up in the morning and you feel tired, you don't feel fully energetic, you can practice this flow. The flow of blood will be better in your body. You will start to feel energetic, active and good to go. If at the end of the day you feel tired, you feel you had a very long hectic day, you will practice this and you'll feel your legs are feeling relaxed, your body is feeling relaxed. This is an excellent practice which you can do early in the morning, first thing in the morning or last thing to end your day. Just make sure that you're empty stomach before you do the wall exercises. I hope you're enjoying all of our videos and are practicing with us and getting better, healthier day by day. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Namaskaram.